In Texas, we don't just have weather, we have catastrophes. But something has changed. Over the last few years, the once-in-a-century storm is now happening every season. With record-breaking hail in Dallas and San Antonio, the climate continues to shift, and your insurance company is using that shift as a weapon against you. You've seen your premiums double, your deductibles skyrocket, and your coverage shrink. But when the storm finally hits your commercial property, the insurance company acts like they've never seen a hailstorm before. At StormLex Law Group, we see the game they're playing. They want you to pay for the climate crisis while they protect their bottom line. We get calls every day from property managers and roofers asking the same questions, so let's set the record straight. Why is my claim being denied even though my neighborhood was totaled? Insurance companies are increasingly blaming wear and tear or lack of maintenance to avoid paying for storm damage. They'll claim that negligence weakened your roof before the wind hit it. That's often a tactic to undervalue your loss. If there was a storm and there is damage, you are likely owed a new roof. How does the Texas Department of Insurance protect me? The TDI sets the rules, but they don't fight your individual battle. In Texas, we have specific windstorm requirements, especially along the coast. If your insurer isn't accounting for the increased cost of building to current code, costs driven by these more intense weather patterns, they aren't fulfilling their policy obligations. Can I sue if my insurance company offers me a lowball settlement? Absolutely. In Texas, we have the Texas Insurance Code. If an insurer fails to attempt a fair settlement when liability is reasonably clear, they may be acting in bad faith. The climate might be changing, but the law requiring insurers to act fairly has not. In the industry, we see these outcomes happen for policyholders all the time. 1. Delay. They hope you'll get desperate and take a smaller check just to start repairs. 2. Deny. They use biased engineers to claim the damage wasn't caused by the storm. 3. Undervalue. They use outdated software to estimate repair costs that don't reflect the actual Texas market. At StormLex Law Group, Marco Flores, Manny Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers built this firm on a single principle. You paid for coverage, not excuses. We know the regional challenges from Austin to Plano. We know how to hold these carriers accountable when they try to blame the environment for their own breach of contract. The climate in Texas is getting more volatile, but your legal protection shouldn't be. Whether you are a commercial property owner dealing with a massive loss or a roofer or public adjuster whose client is being stonewalled, you need a firm that is as aggressive as the storms we face. Don't let the insurance company use climate change as an excuse to pad their profits at your expense. Contact StormLex Law Group today. Let's review your policy and your claim.